Hey drone nerds, it's Matt. I'm standing here with William from Volarious Tether Systems. William, how are you?
Hi, good.
Good. Tell me your position, tell me a little bit about Volarious.
So I'm the founder of Volarious. At Volarious, we make tethered systems meant for various types of drones. We have the M30 over here. We are compatible with the Altel Max 40 and the newly launched Vespa version as well.
So tell me, what are some of the advantages of using a tether system?
Sure. So as you know, drone has a limited flight time of about 20 to 30 minutes. That's the majority of the drones in the market. In some situations, like event monitoring or fire situation, and you want long flight times, that's where you add a tethered system to it, and you can fly for hours without having to land, without having to change batteries, without having to worry about the drone or have someone operating the drones. You can have a drone just overwatching the whole situation up there for hours.
And who is your primary consumers of your tether systems?
Sure. So our customers, a lot of the American police force and the firefighters have used our systems, and they use it primarily for event monitoring and fire situation.
And how can users get the most out of your systems?
Sure. So our system is really easy to use. It comes with our own app that does auto takeoff, auto landing, some smart feature like the Sentry mode, which we just launched. To use the whole system, it's very easy. We have a converted battery pack that you just slap onto the M30 and it just works. So not a lot of modifications required to use our system.
Lots of ease of use.
Yes.
Yeah. Talk to me about your guys' development roadmap. Is there anything down the line you can share with me that you guys have been working on?
Sure. So we launched our system in March last year, 2023. So we've been shipping this particular unit for about 1 year now. In the future, we will be compatible with more drone models that our customers are currently using. So we want to expand the compatibility of the drones that works with our system.
And it seems like the industry has really taken off just in the last few years. As a whole, where do you see the industry headed?
Sure. I think the adoption of drones, it's going to become more, especially when it comes to the police force and the fire department. There's still a large, I would say, population of the fire departments in the United States that does not have a drone team yet. So I think that definitely the adoption will go up. And of course in the military space as well, especially with the current events.
And my last question's fun. We're one of your partners. What do you love about Drone Nerds and working with Drone Nerds?
Sure. So Drone Nerds is a very professional sales company where you can provide professional advice to your client. And we like that you actually invest in the education aspect of telling your clients about our product instead of just selling it when there's a demand. So that's really important to us as well because we value the education component to our end clients.
Cool. Anything else you wanted to add?
No.
Thank you for your time.
All right.
Appreciate it.